In this video, we are going to talk about Hollyland new wireless video solutions.
Kirsten, I saw some of the new product line that you have launched. Tell me about it.
Yep, so we've got a few products here. So this is our Pyro H. So we're excited because we're announcing our new product series, which is the Pyro series. So what I'm holding here is the Pyro H. The main features of this is going to be HDMI. So it's going to operate through HDMI. No SD on this. But what's nice about the Pyro series, and this is across all of our Pyro series, it's going to be 1,300 feet of range. We're looking at 50 milliseconds of latency, and we can do 1 transmitter to 4 receivers. Nope, so this is going to be a new line of, like a new series. So you've got your Mars series, and this is the Pyro series. So brand new. These are going to be operating on dual band frequencies. So the Mars series was operating on 5 gigahertz frequencies. These are going to be operating on 2.4 and 5. So make sure you don't lose any frames or anything like that. I'm going to talk about the Pyro S real quick. All the other specs I was talking about are going to be the same. So 1,300 feet of range, 50 milliseconds latency, and 1 to 4 receivers, as well as a dual band. So this is the Pyro 7. So obviously it's a monitor. The 7 is for the 7-inch monitor. And because it's part of the Pyro series, it's going to work with the Pyro S and Pyro H. So on the back side here, we're going to see we've got HDMI as well as SDI. And you're going to see it's SDI and HDMI in as well as outs. So it's going to be a loop out for either one of those. Power is going to be a similar option, so hardwire or Sony NPF. We've also got that USB-C for firmware updates like that. But we've got added 2 buttons up here, and those are going to be customizable. So let's say you want to put zebras or overlays, you can just quickly put those on and off. So we've got an SD card in here, a 32 gig SD card, which means there's onboard recording.
Is there a capacity to put an SD card in there, or just 32 gigs, that's all it can take?
Right now it's just 32, and that's what it's going to come with, a 32 gig card. Again, these are not released products, so that could change in terms of it could be able to take a 64, 120, 128. I'm not sure yet. Right now we for sure have a 32 though.
One thing that I really want to see, maybe their engineer can do that, is to add a USB-C port so we can add a hard drive or SSD drive with this.
That's a great idea. Yeah, I like that.